Hi guys, today I want to show you another Raglan increasing. This time there is a line, and as you can see, yarn over increasing, but the difference is outside of the yarn over there's little twist. It's kind of, cable looking, line, which is little bit, different than regular yarn over increasing. Okay, so let's get started. I made 18 cast and added few garter stitch because this is just a sample knitting. So, and the important thing is I add 2 markers in the center, and those 2 stitch widths and 2 markers are the Raglan 2 stitches. Okay, so that's the only focus. So if you wanna do this, you have to have 2 stitch in 2 Raglan marker. Okay, so knit until last 3 stitch before the first marker. So it's easy. There you go, right? And now I want you to think. So 3 stitch on right side and left side. And the outside stitch right there, okay, has to go cross over other 2 stitches. You know what I'm saying? So let's do that. Use the clip-on marker. Pick up 1 stitch like that and hold it out front. Okay? And then knit 2. Then grab that clip-on marker onto left needle and then knit 1 that stitch. So it's twisted. It's like a cable knitting. Okay? And yarn over, slide the first marker and knit those 2 Raglan stitch. 2 stitch in between 2 markers, always 2 stitch. And I did yarn over, and again the third stitch cross. Okay, so now pick 2 stitch with marker. I'm using the clip-on marker in case you don't have the cable needle. So just be aware of it. And then hold the clip at the back and knit the 3rd stitch like this and hook onto those 2 stitch back on to the left needle and knit 2. If you want to use the clip-on marker, this is the way you do it. And knit until the end. Okay? And row number 2, wrong side, because this is flat knitting, or purl. I just want to make sure where I did the, yarn over. So it's quite simple. Row number 2, just purl right here. So right after the marker, before the marker, in this case, just purl right here. There you go, purl. That's it. And you just have to repeat row number 1 and row number 2. That's all. And I'm gonna show you one more time. And this time I am going to use the cable needle because this one is much easier. Okay, there you go. So again, repeat row number 1. Knit until last 3 stitch before the first marker, and my written pattern says C1F2 means cable 1 stitch front and 2. So pick up the one stitch with the cable needle, and F means front, so put out front, okay? And then knit 2 stitch from the left needle, then come back to cable needle. You can transfer on the left needle, or you just knit from the cable needle. This way, easier for me. There you go. That's it. And then yarn over, slide the marker, and knit 2. Then slide the marker, then yarn over. Then C3B, which is 2 stitch, has to be go back because the third stitch come across in front. So 2 stitch back, then keep the yarn front, and then knit the third stitch like that, and come back to cable needle and knit 2 from cable needle. So again, using the cable needle would be easier with, clip-on marker. However, some people don't like using, cable knitting, so they don't maybe have the cable needle. So that's why I use the, clip-on marker. And row number 2, just all purl. That's it. And I'm going to actually knit few rows. There you go. And if you want, you can take the marker away, out, because now you know, easy, which one is the Raglan 2 stitch. So you just have to make sure you have to stop 3 stitch before those 2 Raglan 2 stitch. You know what I'm saying? There you go. So right there is the 2 stitch. So one more, right? Because 3 stitch before. And there you go. And grab the cable needle, and this time pick 1 and knit 2 from the left. Just remember, okay, the outside of 1 stitch, both side, go across in front of other 2 stitch. So then you don't even have to look at the pattern, okay? And this side, C3B. And I leave written pattern in my description box. So just check that out, okay? And this is beautiful. It's a little bit, different texture than regular yarn over increasing, raglan. So if you want to use this technique, please go ahead. And if you're knitting sweater, it's going to be round knitting, and check the description box. It's simple. Row number 2 should be all knit. That's about it. Okay, so enjoy knitting. Bye for now, guys.